Aloha mai kako. Together, we stand with our Kia'i Alanui, the guardians of our roads, police, firefighters, EMS, DOT crews, and tow truck operators who ma'alama our safety every day. Keiki have kuleana as active passengers now and pono drivers soon. If someone is distracted, speeding, or driving unsafely, speak up. Your voice matters. E ho'olohe I nā kanawai, like, slow down, move over. When you choose safety, you protect Keiki, Kupuna, and your island ohana. That's leading with aloha. That's real kuleana. Be the generation that drives with aloha. Hawaii students stand with Flagman. How about you?